Hi guys, what's up? It's Yaya, and I don't know about you, but I love slime. I love playing with slime, I love the feeling of slime, so I thought today I would actually make some slime. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. What you'll be needing to make a slime is some glue, a container, a spoon, and I'm going to be using the Elmer slime starter kit, except I'm going to be using this pink glue. So first I'm going to get my glue and open up the container or bottle. And I'm going to pour most of it in, or squeeze it. There. To open it up, and I'm going to get out the activator, which they call the Elmer's magical liquid. So I'm just gonna add all of it in, but I'm not gonna add it straight in, I'm just gonna add some at a time. Now you've got to get your mixing spoon and start mixing it up. Now, when you do it, it might be a bit stringy and sticky. Yeah, so it's very sticky. So I'm gonna add in some more activator. And in the Elmer slime starter kit, they've measured out as much activator as you'll be needing. Guys, it's stuck to my hand. Okay, I got it off. See how it goes if I start using my hands. It's still very slimy, and I'm not sure if you can see, but it's very stringy. But that's normal, so don't worry if that happens. I'm going to add in some more activator, and this will make it more stiff because it's not very stiff at the moment. Going to break off a bit and start working on this part. So if you play with it for a while, it won't be clear anymore. As you can see, it's bubbling up a bit, so it's got a lot of air bubbles which will stop it from being see-through and clear. And this part of the slime is more clear than the one that I'm making. extra. And then I'm going to move on to the next bit. Okay guys, so it's really good now. So I'm gonna get some more. Guys, this feels like I'm playing with jelly. It kind of looks like jelly as well. The only annoying thing about this is that while you're mixing it with your hands, it gets stuck on your hands and it's all sticky. This part is looking pretty good, but I'm just gonna play with it a bit more just to make sure, and I'll do the last part. There we go. Now I'm gonna get the last part, and as you can see, it's all sticky and wet. But so guys, it's really easy to make slime and it doesn't take very long. So the only part that takes a little while, and by a while I mean like 5 minutes, is like mixing it up as I'm doing now with my hands to make it more stiff. That's really the only part that isn't extremely cool. So now the whole slime is looking good, and I'm going to mix it all in. There's some slime on the container, so I'll try to get all of that out. Guys, this slime is making really cool noises, and I'm not even sure if you can hear it, but they sound so cool. You've probably noticed that I keep on dipping the slime into the container like this. It's because there's still some activate on the container, and I'm trying to get that onto the slime. So I've still got a bit of activator left over, so if my slime deactivates a bit over time, I've still got some activator left. slime is so good, guys. I can't even tell you how good this slime is. And guys, if you want to use glitter glue to make slime, most glitter glue will not work. So you've got to use Elmer's glitter glue because it actually uses proper glue. Because if you don't use Elmer's glitter glue, the slime won't activate. Now we're done with our slime, so we can play with it. This slime is so stretchy. Guys, I'm gonna try and make a big bubble. I'm not sure if this will work, but I'm gonna try. No, there was a hole in it. I'll try again later. Guys, sometimes if you play with slime for a while, it gets a bit stiff. So, yeah. That's just something to note. So if it does get stiff after a while of playing with it, that's completely normal. Guys, this slime is a lot more stretchy if you stretch it gently. Like this. If you stretch it like really roughly, it will just do that. So this is so satisfying. Let's try and make a slime bubble again. Well, it's not giant, but it's still a slime bubble, so. This is probably gonna make like a lot of bubble pops when this goes in. Guys, I love all the little glitters in this slime. It's so cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!